Editing accounts to make sure they match what we're trying to track in our business is an important part of working with the chart of accounts. To edit an account, simply find it on your chart of accounts. Let's suppose we want to edit our legal and professional fees account and just call it professional fees. After finding the account on the list, click the down arrow to the right of the account name and then click Edit. Now we can enter the name that suits this account. We'll simply call this professional fees. That's all that's required for this edit. Make sure that after you edit an account, click Save and Close, and QuickBooks saves the updated account information. Let's do one more. We'll scroll to the top, and we'll edit a balance sheet account. Let's suppose that we need more detail about our MasterCard account. We'll find the account on the account list, click the down arrow to the right, and then click Edit. Let's suppose we need to give this a specific bank name. We'll enter the name of our bank, and we'll make sure that that is more detailed on our chart of accounts. This makes sure that we are categorizing information correctly without mistakenly entering things in wrong accounts. After editing the name, click Save and Close. Let's edit one more account. Repair and maintenance needs to be edited to add the sales tax. We're going to click the drop-down arrow and choose Edit. You'll notice the default tax code is missing. We can edit the account and add the correct tax. Now click Save and Close to complete editing the account. Edit the accounts when necessary to make sure that the account list works for your business.